Okay guys, we're out. We're off again. Yes, I know, quite soon, but let me tell you the power of tahajjud, okay? That's all I'm gonna say about that. So today, obviously I have another packing nightmare. I think this one's too big. I don't want to deal with this one. But I saw something on TikTok. I got dragged into TikTok, guys. I was not supposed to be on here. Hoya went viral about Beraha.
dukaanka kiilogii sokorta een ka miisa ayaa ka baraka badan 5,000 ku qaadanayay dibadda.
And so I downloaded it, and well, the rest is history. Basically what I saw, I'll tell you guys a little bit about where I'm going soon. What I saw is a bunch of people telling us that we need to pack like this. It's a cupboard. And you can fit way more this way. Look at this. Like, come on. So, I've been traveling how many years, and this never occurred to me in my life to pack things sideways like this. Anyways, this destination, actually half of you guessed the last destination was this destination, so half of you already know where we're going if you check the comments from the last travel vlog series. And the other half is gonna have to guess again. And if you think it's really annoying that we're doing guessing games, I just want you to know I do it for two reasons. One, not to get overwhelmed and to live in the moment of the destination I'm at. And two, obviously for safety, because yeah, I like to just keep things private, enjoy them on my own, and then share them, because then I have something to really talk about when you come back and you reflect about it, right? So stay with us a few weeks. I gotta roll this. At some point, this you still go back to rolling things, you know. So yeah, stay with us a few weeks. Much better. You can fit way more like this. Yeah, so stay with us a few weeks. I'm gonna be posting back to back to back. You're gonna get your daily travel vlogs here. A little bit about the destination as I pack my sajai. So it's got a solid Muslim to non-Muslim ratio in not the capital city, which is where I'm skipping because it's quite intimidating, which reminds me I need my fanny pack. This guy was a lifesaver last time, and it will be again, so I'm gonna pack this with me. This destination has a reputation, unfortunately, but a very beautiful African destination with a solid Muslim representation. This is gonna be too obvious. It's coastal. So you see, right, guys? Kind of wild. Let's just put that over there for now. So coastal, right. This guy's finally coming with me. It's obviously in the same spot as last time. We can finally take it on a trip. I'm so excited. Inshallah. What else can I tell you about this country? Good Somali population, that's for sure. So I get to walk around in my batis as per usual, and it being coastal, I'm gonna need it. Oh, I'm remembering everything today. I gotta go get Hoy's bupis because she's not gonna last a minute. Bupis kimesh Hoyo? Yeah, you need the bupis, definitely. I'm just here blah blahing. I'm talking to my other brothers and sisters. How can you So, okay, we got the bupis. I gotta show you guys my mom's outfit. So I pack for everyone. I'm the designated packer. But when I start to go in mom's closet, do I get jealous or do I get jealous? So look at these fits. Just take this in for a second. I'm gonna set the mood. Even though I don't think mom's gonna wear the hat, it'll be me wearing the hat. But like, you know when you just want to inherit your whole mother's closet? Yeah, that's what I'm vibing right now. Look at this. Which way is it? So this is called a butterfly dress. Yeah, so cute. So she has this collection of butterfly dresses, which you will see definitely when we get to the destination. I'm just worried I'm gonna need an iron, and I don't want to be searching for an iron. That's one butterfly, yeah? My guys, huh? Okay, second, my mom's second butterfly dress, bomb.com, yeah? Rolling less wrinkles, okay? I don't want to hear anymore. Why are you rolling? All right, final butterfly. Boom. How cute. As for my outfits, we're gonna wait. We're gonna see them on Instagram. You guys are gonna go join me on Instagram, because actually I will post earlier on Instagram. So if you really want to know what's going on, go to Instagram. It's up to date over there. I realized, so guys, hear me out. The jelly shoes are still in the picture. Maybe you'll take me more seriously if I'm not wearing the hat. So the jelly shoes, it just clicked to me that these are good underwater shoes, or like beach shoes. You know when you don't like when the water the objects in the water in the ocean are touching your feet. So these are definitely coming with me. I just need to find an outfit that'll make me not Halloween-y. We'll see how that goes. Going to the tailor today. I need them to match this one. So it's got little sleeves. What we do about these just into a little dress, and it goes so well with abaya. I know there's so many people who are like, you shouldn't leave the house with a bati. It's house clothes, but it can also be outdoor clothes. I don't understand that concept, but we'll see. If it works, it works, and you're gonna see the outfits on Instagram. And yeah, so I'm gonna speed up and finish packing this. Then we're gonna go downtown. I'm picking up a pair of shoes that I ordered from Turkey, and I got here in 48 hours, and that's just mind-blowing to me. So after that, we're going to the tailor. If you want to come see what I turn this into. This is a bati, but I want to turn it into a kimono. That's asking a bit much, but let's go try and figure that out. Okay, well, I'm gonna choose. Let's see if this tailor can get all this done in just 24 hours, because we leave it tomorrow. So let me go drop this off at the tailor, grab my tickets from the office, pick up my shoes downtown. What all this, inshallah. I'm absolutely dying at this camel waiting to cross the road. I think he's gonna wait for his support to join him. There we go. You can do it, guys. Sorry, I hope you guys are enjoying this. I'm just waiting for my coffee, and this is making me laugh. These are like the small things of Hargeisa that just never get old. This is definitely the biggest croissant I've seen in the city of Hargeisa. So we will enjoy with our camel view. 7-6, okay, she's yours. Wow, lady driver, mashallah. Come on, but no door. Wait, joga, samaha. Ha, mashallah. Hi, iska galwa. Hi. 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 That's amazing. That's the first time. I know. So cool. I knew the voice sounded different when I called the Uber, and it was a lady. Assalamu alaikum. Hi. I love that. She did say there was many female Uber drivers, so it's just new to me, I guess. Hi. labadan waa dirac labadaas waa dirac caadi isku xidhweyn ka shiidkeeni weeyaan oo caadi labadana kanaad ka dhigi toobka kani waa muunadaas la leeyahay shaqadaas ka dhigi waalidiin karnay labada kana sidanaad ka dhigi cabaayada dishiisa كان عباية تلاقة فراشة كعنت كده لاستيك كده عيش قاسي كده لقيت سوي ساس ما سيدا والله كده عيش كده سيدا كنا هم كيانا واحنا كشنا طولنا جرينا صح اي لكن سوي شمير يا ملا ترى شميرات ما ندرك قطرها هاي درك قطرها ايوه قعدت ندرك هي والله ابوك شمير صح بوده روات كرنتين وين ما انت طمن وين شقينا ما هنا والله شباب ما شقسن صح تضبط عشوان فرنا ما شاء الله هي
هذا برا كاسو دو
Okay, this place is really stressful.
Yes, that's what it's okay. I need to look at it. Anxious.
Yeah. Unfortunately, the best tailors are in the middle of the market, so you kind of have to go through a little bit of stress before you get what you want. But he said he'll get it done really fast, so that's great. I'm going to go get some memory cards. السلام عليكم. memory ba u baahna oo xadiis ku shubha memory go goonina ma iibisan ha isagoo maran ha hay maxaa ugu weyn GB four ba ugu weyn hay ma iibisa kitaabka ilaa iyo jusideed ha hay So my neighbor asked me for one of my guitars, which is quite big, because her son lost his on his first day of madrasa. So I'm just gonna grab him another small one here, and I'm getting some memory cards so that I could just have some hadith going on my vacation. Final job before we go. I gotta collect the last remaining fruits from our tree. So. قرباشتي سحبة وبها وش نسوي لا بعد I got so much. Amazing. When we get back, we know we have fresh lemonade.
We can take it to the beach. Make a lemonade.